Recently, there has been a growing interest to invest in warrants, but it is a potentially risky investment, so you might wonder, why the interest? Well, simply put, a warrant gives you the right but not the obligation to buy an underlying security at a certain price, quantity, and future time, and earn two types of profits from it. One is from the profit made when exercising a warrant, the other is the profit made when the warrant is traded. So this brings up the initial question of whether warrants are an ideal investment tool or simply too good to be true. M+ Global has the answer for you. Firstly, how can warrants generate high returns out of a small investment? Let's take Hong Kong's TVB's foray into live streaming in 2023 as an example. Say you were to buy 100 shares of TVB with M+ Global for 386 Hong Kong dollars. You'll be able to make a 250% profit in just 4 days. However, if you were to use the same 386 Hong Kong dollars to buy a TVB call warrant, which has 10 times the leverage, you would get a 2,500% gain in profits. Secondly, liquidity in the warrant market is a key factor in determining success. The liquidity of warrants in the Hong Kong stock market is much higher than that of the Malaysian stock market. But you might be wondering, why is liquidity so important? Well, if your warrant is about to expire and there are no buyers, you may have to exercise the warrant or risk losing its value. If you're unsure of which warrant to trade, go into the M+ Global app, head to the stock details page of your choice, and tap on warrants to view details such as expiry dates, strike prices, leverage ratios, and volumes to simplify your decision-making process. And lastly, warrants are a great way to hedge against risk as it allows you to choose between having a long or short position. For instance, if you are holding Xiaomi shares, which is due to report its earnings and is expecting a poor earnings performance, but yet you are still bullish on Xiaomi's future prospects, what should you do? Well, just purchase a 10 times leveraged Xiaomi put warrant, and in the event that Xiaomi falls by 10% in the short term, you'll still get 100% in returns. Warrants have a lower risk compared to shorting a stock, as the maximum loss will be limited to the price of one warrant. Open an account with M+ Global today and trade warrants from issuers such as JP Morgan and BNP Paribas. To see more videos from M+ Global, subscribe to our YouTube channel today.
M+ Global, winning the world.